Hey there Titans, in this video I'll show you how to set dynamic limits using JSON either from Salesforce or elsewhere to set completely dynamic limits regarding the parallel events on a day. Alright, so your JSON needs to look something like this. So you send the number of days and the from and to, which is the time. So the number of days starts from 1 till 7, 1 being Sunday, 7 being Saturday. And in this case, I'm sending 5, which is Thursday. From 10:30 till 5:30, I'm allowing one parallel event, which means only one can be in that slot. So let me show you how we can get this set up in Titan. So I'm setting it statically onto my hidden dynamic limits. And again, you can bring in from Salesforce using running Apex or anything you like. And we're going to head over to our calendar, into the settings, hit general, and I'm going to set the dynamic limits. I'm going to set it to my hidden dynamic limits and hit apply and save. And I'll refresh this. And now you can see that I cannot add another event onto the calendar. Now, if I'll head back and alter my JSON and let's say allow two items, two parallel items. So let me just head to my JSON here and I'll change this to limit 2. Now hit apply and save this and refresh. I'll be able to add another one. If I'll try adding a third, it's not going to let me, since only 2 parallel events are allowed. Another way to utilize the JSON is to send something like this. You can send, instead of sending specific hours, you could do a whole day. Let's do, for example, Sunday. Limit will be 3. And obviously this is an array, so you can send, if I'll put everything back, you could say this. And then you can change your hours on Thursday between 1 hour to a different hour to have a different limit. So this is completely dynamic. So let's just say in the same JSON that for Sunday, for the whole day, I'm allowing 3 events. I'm going to grab this JSON and put it on my JSON here. And let's see how it does. Head over to my dynamic limits, set this, and save my form. And let's just get rid of one of this here. So we're going to have 4 events for Sunday. And let's head over to our, let's take a look at our week. Go to Sunday. Okay, just make sure, yeah. Okay, so let's start mapping. So this is one assignment. Add another one. That's 2. And now I'm going to throw in another one. That's 3. Now let's try put the 4th. And it doesn't let us. Since we allowed for Sunday only 3 parallel events. You can see that cannot be done. And this is how it's done.